Hey YouTube, what's up? It's your girl Megan once again with another video. I didn't know I was going to do 2 videos today, but I decided this. I'm doing my video now on the Indian, the Remy, the Blue Remy, and the Janet collection mixed together. I'm just going to show you how you can make a simple style, make it look good, make something good with a simple style. What I did was took some gel. My Softy, I don't have a lid on it, but my Softy gel, and I'm going to use the Elastic QP Glaze, which I already have that on my hair on this side. I'm not going to put any on this side. But what you do is, it's just a simple twist. I'm just going to take out my, I'm trying to get close. You guys can see it. It's just a simple twist. I'm sorry, I'm trying to pay attention and do that too. It's just a simple twist. Like you're gonna do twisted. You know how in the back in the like early 2000s, everybody was wearing that little twist. That's all this is. Okay, and I'm gonna take a bobby pin. Right there. I might get a rubber band if I can find one somewhere and put on it, but so it won't come loose. And that's all. I don't know if you guys can see. I don't know how to zoom in on my camera, but that's the little twist. And there you have what can come this? A 2-minute hairdo for you and her. 2-minute hairdo for you and her. So thank you guys for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. I want to do fake eyelashes. I want to try fake eyelashes. So if you guys can give me, for my first time doing fake eyelashes ever, if you guys could give me, what kind of eyelashes do you like to buy? Inexpensive eyelashes. What kind of inexpensive eyelashes should I buy? Where should I get them from? I'm not going to spend, for me, because I'm not going to wear them I'll wear them for like a couple of weeks or whatever. And I'm not the type, I'm not really big on fake eyelashes, but it's just something that I want to try. I've gotten a modeling contract, so I want to try to learn new stuff, try to learn how to do my my eyelashes on my own. So if you guys can give me some pointers on that, that would be greatly appreciated. Where should I get them from, the price, the name, etc. You know, don't just say, oh, Walmart. And I get to Walmart, I'm seeing 5 and 6 different brands or whatever. So you guys let me know where I should get them from. Thank you.